is up, guys?
What's up?
Howdy. Today I'm trying something a little different, and it doesn't entirely fit my style, but I love it. I'm going to be trying some fairycore makeup. Of course, with any makeup look, I'm going to do some concealer off camera, cause
this is really embarrassing.
So I did foundation and concealer. At this point, you're probably like, who the hell gave this girl makeup? But don't worry, because I am wondering the same thing. But just bear with me, because someday I'll learn. When will you learn? When will you learn? And even though my face is already dry as a desert, I'm going to set my makeup with some desert powder. You know what? It doesn't even look that bad from afar. And really, that's all that matters. You shouldn't be going near anyone anyways. And if you are going near strangers, you know what? I'll make an exception and go near you to like kick you in the face. Now, I'm gonna do something never done before. It's been done before. Plenty of people have done it. My TV turned on by itself. So I'm going to give myself bleached brows minus the bleach. This might be a complete fail. Never tried it, but this is a learning process. So we'll just go right in. This is so exciting. I mean, I think I just need to blend out the outer parts, the outer banks. I don't think fairies necessarily have bleached brows, but I saw this one video of this girl with bleached brows, and she looked fantastic, and I want to be her. I'll link her fairy video in the description. This could be lighter. Well, it appears that she loves me. She's down with me. She's down for me. Whereas this one, she just hates my guts for some reason. Maybe she's jealous of me. So then I am going to add some contour, but very light. And then I am going in with a pretty peachy tone blush. Now I'll be attempting to give myself fake freckles. I have some freckles, but I mean, obviously the makeup covered them. And actually my mom has like a trillion freckles that I used to say that her face was always dirty because I thought it was dirt.
Stupid.
I'm just gonna use a brown eyeliner pencil and we'll see how it goes. Giving very strawberry shortcake, and not in a good way. This is kind of fun. I've never done fake freckles. Ooh, well, it's not fun when you get it wrong. Giving very quick Halloween costume. And once again, not in a good way. Anyways, I buffed out the freckles with some powder, and I think they look a little more natural now. Faux freckle queen. So now I'm gonna start on eyes, and I think I want to go for a very like nude but also shimmery pink. Okay, not pink but like subtle pink. I'm kind of in love with the look so far. I mean, I could wear this on the daily, I think. So I'm just gonna use my phalanges, and I'm using a shade called Perfect Peach, but it ain't peach at all. It's literally pink. Wait, I'm in love with this. Ah. Nikki Tutorials? Who? I'm gonna add just a bit of brown to like the outer eye, but like I'm gonna start off pretty light because I wanted to keep this very like natural feeling. You can't even see it. I'm gonna go on with a slightly darker brown. Hopefully I don't hate it. And now I'm gonna go on with the even darker brown. No. Okay, we're gonna work this out. We can work it out. We can work it out. See? I was gonna do black eyeliner, but I feel like that would be a little too harsh for this look. And there's plenty of people who do use black liner and it looks amazing. I love brown eyeliner so much. I love like the subtleness of brown eyeliner. I just found some mascara, not a lot. I was also debating whether or not to make it like light or like white almost, but honestly I'm feeling a little lazy. Now I'm going to take this like tan colored, I think it's eyeliner. I honestly don't know. I'm gonna go like in my eye. Yes, I'm gonna stick it in my eye. Go under my eye to, I don't know, make it more fairy-like. So I added that light liner to my inner eye and then some more brown liner to my outer eye. Then I did a bit of mascara on my outer lashes, these ones. And I added a pop of highlight to my inner. Boop. All I have left is highlighter, lipstick, and lip gloss. So we're practically done. Highlighter time. Arguably one of my favorite makeup makeup products. I highlight basically everywhere. Okay, I don't highlight everywhere. I just use a lot of it. I mean, honestly, you need a lot of it because you don't really see it like on camera unless you add a lot. So honestly, this gives me an excuse to like be my natural self. And you know what? Fairies are all about glitter, so this is okay. I'm also adding some highlighter on my lid because I feel like it, even though it's shimmery, it needs more. I love snorting highlighter powder. Now on to lips. I'm going for a very like nude look because I feel like it adds to the very romantic feel. Of course, I think like a pink or even slightly red look. Peach. Peach is where it's at. Honestly, this nude color is kind of peachy. It's also broken. So I mixed like 4 different lipsticks and I ended up with a very mauve-y toned color. Mauve. Like now it's kind of erring to the side of like grungy fairycore, but we love that. I think it still goes very well. But honestly, any lip color will work. So now I'm just gonna add some lip gloss and we will be done. And so this is the final look. Y'all don't even understand how obsessed I am. Like, I've never tried this type of look before. And why? I love it so much. I'm contemplating actually bleaching my brows now. Honestly, bleached brows with like a dark hair color is so dope. I think I'm gonna make like the fairy ears with some clay I have. Will it even work? So it didn't work out. It's not you, it's me. But you guys, just close your eyes and imagine how this look would look with those ears. It would look even, oh hell. It would look a million times better with these ears. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I inspired you to like recreate this look. Try out some fairycore because we love her. Please subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to like the video. And I'll see y'all next time.